we are. Yeah, so we just have a little practice this morning. Let's see, if you like, we could carry on looking at the Lion King magazine. Well, the programme and the information, or we could look at the history magazine. Which one would you like to choose? Lion King or history? The Lion King, okay. It was lovely, wasn't it, when we went to see the Lion King? And it's really interesting. Move your legs around a bit. Really interesting just finding out a bit more about the background and the characters. Now then, let's see, where were we up to? Oh yes, we'd read about Zazu, the Hornbill and King's major domo. That was the person who kind of does all the organising for the king. Major domo. There we are. Be prepared for the death of the king. Oh look, there's all that's the elephant's graveyard, and there's all the hyenas in their costumes, all the actors. And there's Scar. Let's see how well you're pointing today. Let's just practice Scar. S-C-A-R. S-C-A and... Oh, that was really accurate. Well done. Nice to see today. So, we've read about Scar and how his mask is distorted and asymmetrical with a deep scar. There we are. Oh, that was where there was the stampede. Run, Simba, run. Now then, we've got some information about the masks and puppets, the scenic design, hair and makeup and lighting. Which one would you like to choose for us to read? Masks, scenic design, hair and makeup or lighting? You choose. Lighting, I mean. Which one? Hair and makeup. Very good choice. So we'll look at hair and makeup. Let's just practice hair. Come on, we're just practicing today. Hair. Oh, that was the G. H, A, I and R. Yeah. Hair. You had a haircut on Sunday, didn't you? Do you like your new haircut? Do you like it? Why? Yeah, I'll take that for yes. It looks very smart, very tidy all around the sides. It was just getting a little bit long, wasn't it? So, hair and makeup. So, let's read a little bit and have a little chat. So, makeup plays a crucial role in any stage production, but in The Lion King, the makeup must do even more. So makeup plays a C R U, all the way up for the C. C. Oh, no swipe, touch the eye. Touch the eye. I, I'll give you a bit more feedback. A, and then crucial. Now let's do roll. Try and use that finger, it might be better. R-O-L-E. R. That was the C, you just one down and your hand slipping. We were going for the O. So touch the R again. R, then straight to the O. O, we're just getting warmed up. L and E. Yes. So in any stage production, makeup plays a crucial role. Could you give me another word for crucial? Let's just say we looked it up in a thesaurus. What might come up if we put crucial? Crucial would be V-E, go on, oh, keep it flowing. Let's get you warmed up. R, very, yes, crucial would be very what? Ah, that's a good one. Go on. I know what you mean. Go for the P. Very let's do it important. So let's start again. I am, now for the P. P, O, after the O, R, T, A, N, T, A, N, and T. Okay, we're just practicing, remember now. Crucial would be very important because you've had so many seizures, it's affected your accuracy on your pointing. So we just need to get your rhythm going again, get you pointing again, and we'll get you back to where we were, don't you worry. Right then, so let's see what else it says. So it's a very important role, but it says it must do even more in The Lion King. I wonder why that is. Listen. To capture the spirit of Africa. So what must the makeup do? Makeup must... Oh, wait. Makeup must... Number 1, capture the spirit of Africa. Number 2, to suggest the animals which are portrayed by actors. Number 3, to intertwine and enhance Julia Traymore's rich and diverse designs. Oh, so all the costume designs. So they must intertwine and enhance all the, we'll put costume designs. So, number 1 was capture the what of Africa? Let's try with a pencil and see if that's easier for you today. We get one nice one with a rubber on the end that will stick when you touch the board. We're just going to do spirit. But number 1 was capture the spirit. So sit up nice and straight. Let me get in a good position as well. S and P and go on, straight to the I, straight to it. I and R and I and T. Lovely. So we'll just pick a few words. So number 1 was capture the spirit. Number 2 was suggest the animals portrayed by actors. Let's do portray. P-O-R-T-P-O-R. Now T-R-A-Y. T-R, that's nice. All the way up for the A, straight to it. A. And down for the Y. Push, push, push. Y. Portray. And the other one was intertwine and enhance costume designs. Let's do enhance. We're just practicing. E, N, go on, go on, go on. H, I'll give you plenty of feedback. Go on. A, and that will help you move to the next letter. Move to the next letter after the A, after the A, after the A. Go on, push your arm. Push, push, push. N and C and E. See, very nicely done. Intertwine and enhance costume designs. If I said to you spirit, what comes to mind when I say spirit? What comes to mind? Let's have a go. Come on, I think you can do this. I think you can do it. Spirit. it. Very nice. It is. It is like. Go on, keep it going. YOURSO. This is really nice. SO. Keep it flowing. Keep it flowing. U. And after the U would be. Touch that U again. You're hovering all over the place. U. Next letter is. It is like your. SOUL. Yes, that makes sense. So spirit, it is like your soul. So when they talk about capture the spirit of Africa, they're almost personifying Africa, aren't they, as a person, and saying, if we were to describe Africa as a person, what is the person's spirit? And you've said it's like your soul. Is there any more to add? THEV. That's good. SENCE, the essence. O of. Y. Oh, just slipping a bit. This is good. The essence of. Then you did Y. Let's go from there again. There. Come on, grab the pencil. Grab it. Or if you want to use your finger, you can try. So do the Y again. The essence of. Go on. Y. O. U. R. Of your. The essence of your. Touch that R again and then go to the next letter. Come on. Come on. Oh. What's that? Tell yourself. I don't need to do that. Your. C. What? C. H would make sense. A. Yes, this is good. CHA. R. Come on. After the R. Keep it going. Keep it going. CHAR. I think I know what you mean. CHA. Touch the R again. I'll help you with that one. And I'll give you lots of feedback. R. Then keep that finger stiffer so you can feel it. Or try with the pencil again. Try with the pencil again and I'll give you feedback. R. Next letter. Go on. Next letter after the R. The essence of your. CHA. Go on. R. Alright, let's just do the CHA again. Do the C. C. And H. And A. Get that R moving. Move it, move it, move it. R. And go on, move it. Keep it moving from the elbow. A. And C. And T. And go on, you're there, you're there. E. And down for the R. R. Lovely, well done, well done. I know it's hard for you today, but you're doing so well. So it's like the essence of your character. Have a little drink. I'm going to have one as well. Go on, drink some water. That might help. So your spirit, it's like your soul, the essence of your character. So the sort of the character, we've got to think of the character of Africa. Maybe when we've got a little bit more time, we'll write a paragraph about the character of Africa. Okay, so let's just read on a little bit. As the British designer Michael Ward notes, in The Lion King, makeup is a design tool that supports every other design element. So the makeup is a tool, really, supporting all the other design elements, the costumes, the scenery, the props, everything. So makeup is a design, let's just practice tool. T, O, O and L. Yes, makeup is a design tool. Now then, so Ward tackled this challenge by first researching traditional and tribal makeups from Central and Southern Africa. So he did his research, traditional and tribal makeup that was worn by people in the tribes, etc. And he then used these patterns, colours and techniques to develop a vocabulary for the production. Oh, that's a good way of putting it, isn't it? So, used techniques to develop a vocabulary for the production. Give me an example of the research that he did. He looked at T, R, I, B, A, L. Yes, he looked at tribal makeup. Okay, and he used the technique to develop a vocabulary for the production. Down you come. When you think of vocabulary, what comes to mind? Vocabulary. What comes to mind when you hear the word vocabulary? Vocabulary. What comes to word? What comes to mind? What comes to mind? Go on. I'll try with the pencil. Just see. Oh, you're sitting in a really funny way. Go on, see what you can do. Let me adjust how I'm getting put into a good position here at a funny little angle. There. Go on, that might be better if I stand up. Vocabulary. What do you think of? Go on. Where? L, A, L, A. Is that the M or the N you want? Move your arm. L, A. What? N would make sense, yes. L, A, N. Keep it going. G. Yes, language would make sense. U, up for the A, then G. Touching, we're just pressing G, and then E. Yes, so to develop a vocabulary, another word for vocabulary, we could say a kind of a language. Yes, so a kind of a consistent language for the makeup. So let's read. In designing the makeup, he explains, I had to work with the duality between the masks and the actors' faces. Oh, so he had to consider the duality of the masks and the faces. Because in some cases the masks, it's unusual really, because normally masks cover someone's face, but in The Lion King the masks are often on top of the heads or standing out a bit, so they're not necessarily on the faces, are they? So duality, it means what? Yeah, oh, that's good, yeah, mix. Mix, duality means mix, and in this case, it's a mix. It would be a mix of two things, and the two things are, number one, the masks, and number two, the faces, yeah. Some instances the makeup is purely decorative, and in other instances it helps to convey the character's personality. So the makeup can be just decorative, or it can convey personality. When you think about the Lion King, is there anybody's makeup that stands out in particular? Any of the characters that you thought their makeup was really good? Perhaps even have a look on this page here. Whose makeup stands out to you the most on here? Whose makeup stands out? There. Have a look and see. Oh, that one, yes. I agree. And that does kind of reflect her personality. I think in that case, do you know what? I think it's both decorative and reflects the personality, because it's kind of, I don't know, a bit jolly, isn't it? Lively. So let's just have a look and we'll see what he says, see if he mentions. So for Mufasa and Simba, the makeup of MAASAI warriors would reflect their bravery and strength. So personality, we've got Mufasa and Simba, and it would reflect, it was the MAASAI warriors that influenced their makeup to convey bravery and strength. There, and that's it. There's Simba. Look. See, he looks quite strong and determined, doesn't he? So, which warriors was it that influenced the that makeup? It was the M, and it's double A. M. Come on, touch A. A. Touch A again. A. You're right. S. And then A again. All the A's today, and then I. Touch the eye. You were there. Just touch the eye. There it is. MAASAI. Yay! It was the MAASAI warriors. There. Now then, what about Nala? For Nala, it was the makeup of the Wodaabe people. Wodaabe. The makeup of the Wodaabe people, who are known for their beauty. And she was very beautiful, wasn't she? Oh, that's her, isn't it? That's sorry, that one's Nala. Very beautiful. Scar's makeup would reflect the distortion of his character, and Zazu and Timon's makeup would work with their costumes to convey and telegraph their distinct personalities. So this is now that's the one that you chose. His biggest challenge was Rafiki, the only principal character to not be represented with a mask or puppet. For the story's wise shaman, Ward's makeup alone must present her as a mandrill baboon. There, down you come. Ooh. So the one that was most challenging was Rafiki, because she did not have a M, A, S, and come on, touch the K. K, Rafiki, no mask. So her makeup alone had to help represent her as a B, A. All right. B. Over for the O. O. Come on. Nearly done. O and M. Yes. It was just her makeup. As a mandrill. That's a type of baboon. Okay, let's have a look very quickly on my phone. Nearly done. But we'll just do a short session. I'm just going to Google mandrill baboon and we'll compare it to the picture of Rafiki. I think that would be an interesting thing to do. Let's have a look. Ooh. Go to Google. Right, let's have a look. M-A-N-D-R-I-L-L, mandrill, B-A-B. Oh, there it is, look, see, we predicted it. Mandrill baboon images we'll have. Oh, look. Now then, see on the mandrill baboon, what do you notice? Look at the picture. There. What do you notice about the mandrill baboon on the picture? Anything? Go on, tell me what you notice. I-T-L. L after the L-T wouldn't make sense. Let's use a pencil because you were doing so well with the pencil. It L-O-O. Good, good. K. It looks. L. I. That's good. Go on, keep it going. We'll get through this. Go on. L-I-K. It looks like. M-A-K. E. Make. You. Yeah, you're right. We'll just, sorry, my phone automatically locks, doesn't it? It looks like makeup. Look, and you can see on her makeup, if we hold it next to her, you notice there, she's got blue sort of stripes down her cheek, and look under the eyes, and on the mandrill baboon, there's like blue. It looks like blue stripes, doesn't it, coming down the cheekbones? See if you can touch it. Touch the blue stripes on the monkey. Come on, touch it. There, yes, there. See there, and on Rafiki. On Rafiki, touch it on her. There, put it up a little bit. There it is on the monkey. I'll help you. And there it is on Rafiki. See the same? So you can see how he's taken. He's taken what the baboon looks like and designed makeup around it. Very good. Do you think that her makeup was? Do you think that was a good representation? I mean, also it has to reflect the personality, but do you think that that was good? Y. E. Yes. Yeah, I do as well. I think it's very good. Maybe we'll do that. We'll have a look at some of the other animals and see. Yeah, so we looked at the blue stripes. Was it effective? And you said yes. Okay, just to finish, is there anything else that you would like to say about the makeup that was used in The Lion King, or about anything else? I know it's go on, because you did quite well. Well, A, M, I, G, O, I, N, G, am I going? T, T, keep it going, come on. 2, am I going to, S, T, S, T, oh, go all the way up for the A, E, P, P, oh, I, M, now try not to slip, G, stepping, U, stepping up, T, try not to slip, T, go on, T, O, need to put some tape on this board, A, D, D, A, why, am I going to stepping up today? Yes you are, am I going to stepping up today? Yes, you are. Now I remember last week when you went, Karen said that you did talk about the Lion King and going to see it, and they called up some photographs and things on their phones to have a look at. Would you like to take the programme with you today to show your friends at Stepping Up? Y, E, yes, T, H, A, T, that, W, O, U, L, D, that would, B, E, G, O, O, D. Yes, that would be good. Right then, give you a little break and then we'll get your things ready for stepping up. So you have a drink, really important to keep yourself hydrated.